Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here. Glad to have you with us. Time to get smarter and save a bunch of money. We're going to do some air conditioning condenser repair. The easiest repair you can possibly do, and it's usually the #1 thing that needs to be repaired. And you can do this yourself, I'm telling you, you can. Now these are air conditioning condensers. We have 2 of them, 4-ton and a 2-ton, and we got an issue with one of them. Keep focused. I'm going to take our 2-way radio, which these things are awesome, and tell Julio to turn the air on upstairs. He usually doesn't like it when I tell him what to do. Yo, Julio, vamos on the air conditioning turn on. Vamos. See, he doesn't like it. Now, let's see if it does it. He hates it when I tell him what to do. Yet I pay him, so I don't understand that. All right, see the fan's not starting? You hear this noise? What I do to get you by, just to get you by until you can get this fixed, is do this. Take a paint stick, and all you gotta do is let's dig into this thing. It's gonna be behind that cover right there with the tag on it. There's a screw missing right here. That tells you that good chance they were working on this at some other time and had to do the same repair we're going to do. Easy to drop, that's for sure. And then this cover just comes off. But you gotta watch out for bees. You never know if there's bees up in there. This is the rig you want right here. Motor starter. 99.9% of the time, that's the problem. So you take your phone, take a picture of that, get one ordered. We suggest ordering 2 of them. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. All right, so that little cylinder I told you about, it's actually a capacitor. It stores energy to start the motor. You can call it whatever you want. We call it a motor starter. But there's the picture I took on my phone, and I'm going to go research that part number and get them ordered. All right, guys and gals, we got our new capacitor right there, ready to go, and we're going to put it in. But I want to share with you a couple safety features that you want to make sure you adhere to. All right, guys and gals, this is the handiest tool ever, and I'm going to tell you right now, I do not trust breakers. I don't trust anything. Even if I shut it off and take the breaker out, I don't know, it's just a thing with me. But this right here is something that will really, really give you peace of mind, because when this thing does that, that means there's power. There's power there, there's power. Almost every wire that goes to the capacitor is powered up. Now, what we're going to do is shut the main breaker off to this so we can pull that out of there, and we're going to do that right now. All right, here are our main breaker boxes, and this goes to one of the condensers, and this one goes to the one we're working on. So we're going to flip that down. Now we'll take our tester and make sure it's flashing. No power, nothing. I check everything just to make sure. All right, so we're going to take that out. We're going to get a Q-tip and clean these off so we can match them up. As you see on this one, it says fan, C, and Herm. Herm, C, which is common, and then fan. There's Herm. There's fan. And this will be C. But I will tell you, this circuit tester is worth its weight in gold. I can't tell you that enough. I use it on everything, and I've 440 all. It doesn't matter what power it is. All right, so the first one we're going to do is the Herm, which is this one right here. And we take that, look for Herm, that goes right there. And you should call your local HVAC people and just call and get a quote and tell them, hey, how much for you to come out and replace my capacitor? I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong with it, because most of them, this is fan, that goes right there, most of them will charge you a minimum fee just to show up. All right, so this is common. That is C. We're going to put it on just exactly as they were on here, so, and it doesn't matter, but I like to keep things the same. Purple goes to the inside. And the red's on the outside, of course. And I know I told you to get 2 of them, so you have a backup. The way prices are right now with things, you want to save where you can. But yes, call your HVAC company, tell them you would like a quote, and if they say, well, we got to come out, no, say, listen, just a rough idea. So the next thing is turn the power back on. Julio, turn AC on. Julio, turn AC on. He's probably taking a nap up there. We'll see. You remember what it did before. All right, see the fan's not starting? Fan did not start. I had to start it with that stick. Julio, wake up. Julio, wake up. Turn AC on. What did you say, Julio? There it is. Saved ourselves a boatload of cash. Working like a charm. Well, guys and gals, hopefully that helped you. Mr. Know-It-All, out.